Hi, my name is Brianne Broussard, and I'm a Mayvenn stylist, and this is Indian versus Brazilian. Our Indian hair is silky and shiny, and it's definitely for the natural type of woman. It's very soft. It gives you great texture, great curls, but it also is low maintenance. So this is a great texture to choose. Indian hair is a very low maintenance texture due to the fact of how silky it is, how low with humidity from the heat or even from the cold. It's less frizz. It's less like our natural texture hair. It's very low maintenance again, and it's easy to curl. It holds curls for a very, very long time and less on shedding. Now, Brazilian hair is a little bit more tricky. This hair is a little bit more coarse. It's a lot fuller, a lot thicker. You may have to do a little bit more maintenance as well as taking care of this hair because it's more like our natural hair. It gives you more of a natural look if you're doing with the blending, with a U-part, with clip-ins, with a partial extension. It will blend better with your hair, but you will have to take care of it as if it was your hair. So that's the difference between Indian and Brazilian.